Strengthening to increase the body's ability to absorb nutrients. It's not what you eat that nourishes you, but what your body actually absorbs from what you eat. Over the years, various factors reduce our ability to absorb nutrients effectively. This results in nutritional deficiencies, which in turn affect the body's functioning, leading to multiple health issues. Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in the video description and the first comment. This strengthening technique is suitable for people of all ages. Keep in mind that this doesn't replace the need for a well-informed and mindful diet. Make sure your body maintains optimal nutrient levels. Let's focus on addressing the root cause rather than just treating the symptoms. We'll work on strengthening the central nervous system, spinal cord, and cerebrospinal fluid. We're also strengthening the brain to enhance cognitive, emotional, and motor functions. Let's strengthen the spinal cord to transmit signals between the brain and the rest of the body. We'll reinforce the peripheral nervous system, including all the nerves outside the central nervous system. We'll fortify the somatic system for all voluntary functions. We'll strengthen the autonomic nervous system to regulate involuntary functions. We'll enhance the two-way connection between the gastrointestinal system and the nervous system. We'll isolate the weaknesses in the enteric nervous system, the vagus nerve, hormones and chemical mediators, as well as the gut microbiota, and eliminate all weaknesses from each of them and their combinations, reducing them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time within a finite period. We'll balance and strengthen them by increasing their power, endurance, speed, coordination, agility, and flexibility to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time indefinitely. We're strengthening the microbody, quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells. We're strengthening the macrobody, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We're going to increase the capacity for absorption, distribution, and assimilation of nutrients in both. Each organ is being strengthened to receive all the right nutrients. We're enhancing the entire digestive process, starting from the mouth, for proper mechanical and chemical breakdown. We're strengthening chewing and boosting salivary enzymes. We're reinforcing the esophagus to transport the food bolus to the stomach. We're boosting every acid and digestive enzyme. We're enhancing the formation of chyme and its transport to the small intestine. We're going to strengthen the small intestine for continued breakdown and separation of nutrients through enzymes produced in the pancreas. We're reinforcing the intestinal walls for better absorption into the bloodstream. We're enhancing the breakdown of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Let's eliminate all weaknesses in each aspect and their combinations, bringing them down to 0 minus infinity for 100% of the time within a finite period. We'll balance them to be centered, equilibrated, and stable, while increasing strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination in each aspect. We'll boost all functions to 100% infinite co-potential for 100% of the time within a finite period. Now we'll enhance the circulatory system to optimally transport nutrients to various parts of the body. These nutrients will be strengthened for use in metabolic processes, tissue building, and other essential functions. Will eliminate weaknesses in and around the bloodstream, bringing them down to 0 minus infinity for 100% of the time within a finite period. Let's strengthen carbohydrates, fats, and proteins to serve as energy sources for the body. These will be fortified to maintain body temperature and support the function of biological systems. Finally, we'll enhance the essential nutrients for growth and tissue repair. We're boosting amino acids from proteins to enhance the synthesis of new proteins and promote muscle development. We're reinforcing minerals and vitamins to maintain healthy bones, connective tissue, and other body components. We're enhancing vitamins and minerals to function optimally as cofactors in enzymatic reactions that regulate metabolism. We're strengthening each developmental process they're involved in, going 100% with infinite potential all the time, even with finite time. Let's fortify each nutrient for its optimal participation in essential metabolic processes. We're boosting carbohydrates and fats as energy sources through glycolysis and beta oxidation. We're going to amp up the physical potential of the immune system. Remember, this channel offers specific strengthening for the immune system. We're going to boost our immune response by ensuring we get the right vitamins and minerals. This will strengthen our body's ability to defend itself and fight off diseases. We'll also enhance our nutrient intake to maintain the body's internal balance, known as homeostasis. Let's focus on improving our absorption of minerals to properly regulate the functions they're involved in. We're going to eliminate anything that's preventing, limiting, delaying, hindering, or blocking these processes from occurring. And we'll send all of that to the lymphatic system. That includes the channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes. We'll be strong enough to fully eliminate waste with infinite potential all the time in the present moment. We're going to remove the weaknesses that hinder nutrient absorption caused by conditions like celiac disease, inflammatory bowel disease, intolerances, and absorption issues that have affected our digestive system's capacity. We're enhancing the system's capacity to break down and properly absorb nutrients. Let's boost your health awareness to achieve a mindful, varied, and sustainable diet. We'll eliminate the accumulated effects of genetic or acquired enzyme issues. We're removing pancreatic weaknesses that hinder, restrict, and slow down enzyme production. We'll clear out the built-up impact of chronic conditions like diabetes and kidney failure, which have compromised the body's ability to efficiently use and store nutrients. We're eliminating residual medications and their side effects, such as antacids and antibiotics, that interfere with nutrient absorption. We're erasing the long-term effects of malnutrition, which show up as growth issues, developmental problems, energy deficits, and a weakened immune system. Skin issues, hair problems, nail conditions, anemia, bone disorders, neurological complications, gastrointestinal issues, weight problems, and reproductive concerns. We're clearing memories of all these health issues from you, your ancestors, and descendants in this life and others. Now we'll erase childhood traumas caused by emotional neglect, which are stored in the amygdala. We're removing the built-up effects of weak bonds and unhealthy attachments that left feelings of absence, emptiness, and abandonment. We'll now eliminate suppressed anger, rage, and resentment, as well as the anger you've avoided or forgotten. We're clearing feelings of loneliness and all emotions, sensations, and reactions that are preventing, limiting, delaying, hindering, or blocking the absorption of both physical and non-physical nutrients. Strong for equal, not equal, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. Strong for all that is positive, not positive, negative, not negative. Strong for being without mind, without spirit, empty. We strengthen internal dynamics, external dynamics, internal and external boundaries and vertices. And we send the mind with all its accumulated effect to other universes, existences, dimensions, time and space. dark matter and energy, black holes, and breaking down the universe and other unknown places. We erase all weaknesses involved in this strengthening to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit.